This episode we will be assembling the boiler regulator for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we're going to be assembling the boiler parts together, the boiler regulators, handles and whatnots, all these 3-28 parts. So let's open up assembly, and we're going to do 328A first. Before we do, view, hide, show, origins. Bring that out and snap it in the middle. There we go. Nope. Alright, snap in the middle. There we go. Turn that off. Okay. So first part we're going to have insert. Let me just click that so it stays there. Let's see. It's going to be C and H. So C and where's H? There it is. And H. There we go. Oh, yeah, thank you. That's 3, yep. Okay, so this part's going to click into there. So we're going to do, so we're going to go mate. That's circular part to this circular part. Cool. Just drag that out a bit so I can see a bit better. There we go. Yep, that looks good. Actually, drag it a bit more because I need to get that one to that one. There we go. And that part and missed. And that one's got to be parallel. There we go. Well, it fits in there nicely. Very nice. They want to. Okay, that one. Now we want to do mate this cylinder. I'm going to do it with this cylinder here because it's going to be same in there. Oh, can I grab that? Oh, I can. Cool. There we go. Now, this end here, I'm presuming it's going to go right up against that end. It's going to tighten up. There we go. Done. That's that part done. Looking good so far. Look at that, the whole thing match up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, next one we're going to bring in is 32B. Insert 32B. Put that over there. 3.28B, sorry. 3-28B, sorry, not 32. 328D. Just going to go there. 328F, which is going to go there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Oh, yeah, it's all there. I just have faith that one part was missing. It's the rubber, so E. I think because it comes out not same angle, same order, it's gone through me. And G. G. There we go. Get rid of that. Beautiful. Okay, so now this part's going to go on here, so mate. Might do that edge and that edge first. No. Didn't want the edge. I want the edge. I want the flat surface. Oh man, too many edges. Okay, that one and that one will go. Beautiful. Let's just twist that around so that way we know it's going to line up, hopefully. That one and that one. There we go. Lined up. I've got a funny feeling this piece here had to have threads in. So let me just correct that. I was wondering what I was doing the next piece after that one. So let me open that one up. Let me go back that one, 328A. The hole's M3. So let's go thread. M3 down here. There's no M3. Oh, sorry, it's down here. So we're going to do that one. 2. Oh, I hate it when click on that, it doesn't register straight away for some reason. That one. Offset it. And trim both. I just trim both that one. I got the right one. And done. Oh, hold on. Do that every time. That one. Done. There we go. Let me do the other 3 of those. Thread. Bottom. Could be 4 clicks to get that for some reason. Top. Offset. Extrude, thread. Trim, and done. Okay. Thread. I don't think you can do multiple holes at once, which makes sense, like which way would thread be going? There we go. First time. Let's see. That one, and done. Thread. That one. That one. Okay, it seems to be clicking towards that and it seems to click easier, so maybe it's where I click when I was doing it. Come on, thank you. Done and done and done. Okay, that's saved. Let's close that one down. I don't need any more. There you go. It's got a thread on there now. Beautiful. So you probably won't want a thread on there because otherwise, if that's not tight, it's not going to pull down. Where that's no thread on this piece, that's pulling down, it's going to pull that down tight. So that makes sense. Okay, so now we want mate. Nope, not one clear. Thank you. Try and get the whole circle. That's the problem with the thread. It's so hard. Okay, maybe if what if I do that to that? No, that's what I thought. Okay, let me just see something. If I do that and that as parallel, no, cancel that. Let's have a look at mates. Delete the last one. Delete that one. Yep. Okay. Actually, why is there a thread in that? Actually, I don't think it's supposed to be a thread in that one. Let me open up that one. Yeah, I don't think it's a thread. It doesn't make sense. In the diagram, it's hard to tell. It looked like there's a thread there, but it might not have been. Okay, let me delete that one. Yep. Save that. Close that. There we go. Now, let's see. If I mate this, that one with that one, what does that do? Actually, nice. That's part that worries me too, because what does it actually do? There's no hole in that. Yeah, I really don't know what that does. Now, I'm not expert in steam trucks and that, so, you know, so it might be doing something need to be done. Okay, but right now, So this here, nope, not that part. Before I go any further, let me get out of there. Always start a new mate session when you start a new piece, because otherwise you sometimes undo wrong things, so, or too far. Oh, yeah, don't want to do that. It's going in a place I can't see it. Let me do that surface. Do that surface. Oh, hold on. Mate. That one. There we go. Yep. Okay. That circle to that circle, which fits. Beautiful. Now we want the nut. There is. So I probably want the top of that to be the top of this. We want that cylinder, there will equal that. There we go. And that's screwed down on there. Cool. Yeah, I really don't understand how this works. Okay. So now, this, oop, go out of that. So, mate, this cylinder there will match that cylinder there. This hole here will match that hole there. But if I go to that one, there we go. It's showing it's going that way, so. And done. But I really don't. So that turn, what? That turns, let's turn that thread, that'll turn that screw there. I really don't understand what that does. I don't see how that would stop anything going through. Because that's bolted down, that can't move. That's what it shows in the diagram though. That's what it shows in the diagram. Anyway, that is assembly SA-312 done for the boiler regulators and valves and that. So I fully understand. If you understand what that does, leave it in comments below. I'd love to understand this. As I said, I've never seen it work with one, so it'd be cool. I've seen videos, but they don't really show all these details. So I've never seen one in real life, this type of truck. So if you enjoyed that, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you everyone that has and for your support. And leave comments below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.